Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys what the symptoms are for a broken master cylinder. This is for a Toyota Matrix 2005. So I already changed. This is the old one. So the new one is gonna be already installed. Okay, so what led me to change the master cylinder? I bought this car, right? So I bought this car. The guy said the brakes were a little spongy, so you would press down the brake. The first press that you would do, it would be fine. Like it would feel like almost like normal. But if you would press it again, it would go all the way down, like it has no pressure. So doing some research, I read that it would be the seals inside this master cylinder, they wear out, so it would be like inside. You can also take it apart and check it out yourself, and they do sell some repair kits. I don't know if they would work on this kind, but I just bought a new one, installed it. Then to bleed the brakes, I left these two lines open, so I didn't tighten them all the way down. So this one and that one, there's one down there, and you would just fill this up with brake fluid, and then you would just press on the brake, and you would see bubbles coming out of here and from the other screw. So you do that a few times, and then you keep it, you hold it down, you press the brake, you hold it down, and you make it tight all the way. Now the car works. You could also bleed the brakes. If you bleed the brakes, start from the rear tire, the farthest tire, then you move to the closest one, so the rear left, then you do the front right and the front left. That's what I'm gonna do. But as far as now, I took it out for a drive and it works much better. So if you have an issue with the brakes and they don't hold pressure and you feel like nothing's happening, it's gonna be 90% of the time it's gonna be this guy. I'm gonna leave the link on the description so you can use my Amazon link, and I'm gonna leave other links for other useful tools that you guys can always use to scan the car and do some work on your own cars. I hope this helped you guys to fix your own car, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.